Hello friends, so in this video I would like to discuss about how to revise cost accounting subject within 15 days. Okay, this is syllabus number 2016. This is paper number 8, that is cost accounting. And here is the syllabus structure. Section A, Section B and Section C. In Section A you need to study about introduction of cost accounting, that is cost ascertainment, cost accounting standards, cost booking, and in Section B that is methods of costing, and in Section C that is cost accounting technique. Okay, so in Section A, 40 marks, it contains 40 marks. You need to study about cost ascertainment, element of cost, cost accounting techniques, cost bookkeeping. And in Section B you need to study about various methods of costing. Okay, 30 marks. Section B 30 marks, Section C also 30 marks. Methods of costing and cost accounting technique. So assessment strategy, there will be written examination paper of 3 hours, papers of 3 hours, and objective to provide an in-depth study of the cost accounting principles and techniques for identification, analysis and classification of cost components to facilitate managerial decision making. Okay, so what are the learning aims? The syllabus aims to test the students' ability to understand and explain the conceptual framework of cost accounting, then explain the basic concepts and process in determination of cost of products and services, understand the cost accounting standard, that is CAS, apply marginal costing in decision making, and apply the concept of standard costing for variance analysis. So what are the skill set required? In level B, requiring the skill levels of knowledge, comprehension and application and analysis. Okay, so now cost accounting intro, 40 marks, that is section A, cost accounting intro. So what are the introduction, definitions, scope, objectives and significance of cost accounting, its relationship with financial accounting and management accounting. Then you need to study about cost object, cost center and cost unit. Then you need to study about what are the elements of cost, and you need to study about classifications of cost, and also newly added role of cost accountant in organization, role of cost accountant in an organization. This is newly added in revised editions. Okay, then in number 2, that is cost ascertainment, that is element of cost. Okay, so cost ascertainment element of cost means a material cost, procurement of materials, then inventory management and control, then inventory accounting and valuation, then physical verification and treatment of losses, then scrap spoilage and defective and wastage. Okay, then you need to study about uh, the employee cost. In employee cost you need to study about the timekeeping and time booking and payroll, labor turnover, overtime and idle time, principles and methods of remuneration and incentive schemes, then employee cost reporting and measurement of efficiency, then direct expenses, then overheads, collection, classification and apportionment and allocation of overheads, then absorption and treatment of over and or under absorption of overheads, then reporting of overhead cost. Okay, then cost accounting standards, only basic understanding required. Okay, CAS, cost accounting 1 to CAS 24. And in number 4, that is cost bookkeeping. cost accounting records, ledgers and cost statement, how to maintain cost accounting records, ledgers and cost statement, items excluded from cost and normal and abnormal items cost, then integral accounts and non-integral accounts, reconciliation of cost accounting records with financial account, then infrastructure, educational and healthcare and port services, then the methods of various methods of costing. There are various method of costing like job costing, batch costing, contract costing, process costing, operation costing or service costing, transport, hotel and hospital applicable, operating costing, and process costing applicable for normal and abnormal loss, equivalent production, joint and byproduct, etc. Okay, then number 6, that is cost accounting techniques. Only you need to study about the basic understanding, marginal costing, standard costing, and budget and budgetary control. And in marginal costing you need to study about meaning of marginal cost and marginal costing, then absorption costing versus marginal costing, break even analysis, margin of safety, then application of marginal costing for decision making. Simple problem only required to solve. Then in B, that is standard costing and variance analysis, concept of standard cost and standard costing, advantages and limitations of standard costing, computation of variances relating to material and labor cost only. Okay, and in C, budget and budgetary control, simple problems are there. You need to understand the concept and types of budget, budgetary control versus standard costing, what are the advantages and limitations of budget and budgetary control, and preparation of budgets. Simple illustration are there need to be solved. Okay, so here is the entire syllabus contains in study note number 1, that is introduction to cost accounting. You need to study about definitions and scope, objective and significance of cost accounting. Okay, there are 12 pages and you need to be finished within 2 days. And role of cost accountant in organization newly added, definition, scope and objectives and significance of cost accounting, then cost object, cost center and cost unit and element of cost, then classification of cost. Okay, then in study note number 2, that is cost ascertainment, elements of cost. Again there are 98 pages, 4 important topics: material cost, that is cost accounting standard 6, then employee cost, cost accounting standard 7, then direct expenses, cost accounting standard 10, then overheads, that is cost accounting standard 3. You need to revise study note number 2, that is cost ascertainment, very well. There are 98 pages and very important, all the topics are very important: material cost, employee cost, direct expenses and overheads. Material cost is cost accounting standard 6, employee cost, cost accounting standard 7, and direct expenses, cost accounting standard 10, and overheads, cost accounting standard 3. Okay, 98 pages and you need to complete and revise within 3 days. Then study note number 3, that is cost accounting standard. Again 4 pages are there and you need to complete it in 1 day. Cost accounting standards, preface to cost accounting standards, objective and functions of cost accounting standard board, then cost accounting standard 1 to 24 as issued by the Institute of Cost Accounting of India. 4 pages are there, you need to complete and revise it within 1 day. Again study note number 4, that is cost bookkeeping, 39 pages are there and 5 important topics: cost accounting records, ledgers and cost statements, items which are excluded from cost and normal and abnormal items cost, then integral accounts and non-integral accounts, reconciliation of cost accounting records with financial accounts, then infrastructure, educational, healthcare and port services. Okay, then study note number 5, that is methods of costing, 63 pages are there. uh, at least 2 days required to revise methods of costing: job costing, batch costing, contract costing, process costing, joint and byproduct, operating costing and service costing, transport, hotel and hospital. Okay, five most important methods of costing: job costing, batch costing, contract costing, process costing, joint and byproduct, then operating costing, service costing, transport, hotel and hospital. Okay, 63 pages are there. At least 2 days required to revise. Then story note number 6, that is cost accounting techniques. In cost accounting technique, you need to study about marginal costing, standard costing and variance analysis, budget and budgetary control. Okay, uh, three most important topics. There are 59 pages, and again it required 2 days at least in order to revision. Okay, so in this way there are 15 days required to revise entire paper. Also you need to focus upon the multiple choice question. MCQ also uh, helps you to secure 60 marks. Okay, so this is it all about 15 days strategy for revision in case of cost accounting paper. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for your support.